All right, part 2 of our Boles Aero. It's only gonna be about 5 minutes, but I'm gonna walk around it again real quick and try to give you a feel for the condition of this thing. And got it plugged in right now. I'm going to show you how everything works inside. Well, what works inside anyway. And we're going to show you. Let's see, what else? We got pictures of underneath it. Inside here, plumbing stuff, license plate light. This is all real clean over here. Really clean down the sides. I mean, probably definitely can be polished out some. Maybe not fully polished, but maybe kind of like a factory look, you know, would be nice. Get rid of a lot of the black oxidized stuff. But we're gonna go inside and turn some stuff on. I actually have part of that light. I don't know if you want it. It comes with it either way. And so yeah, a little dent right there. Oh well. Let's go inside. So if I do this right and let the light adjust, you can be able to see everything. Gotta give it time, yeah, like that. Lower storage. You first walk in, you get your couch here, curtains. Above storage. So the roof was leaking here for a bit, and when it leaked, it went straight down to that corner right there to your left behind the screen where some of the water sat. Not a lot, but I'll show you. You got your little table. You know what? Actually, I'm gonna try to, hang on. There you go. Okay. Try this again here. Go back in. So there's your ceiling, and everybody knows as well as I do, these aren't that hard to fix. There's a light down there, there's a light on the other side. We're coming on. Maybe through a breaker already. Let's see. Oh, that's why. Okay, leave that off. Okay. All right, so some of these lights were working, and this one was working right there. The refrigerator was getting cold. Yes, it was getting cold. And we're looking at this, we're looking around here. Here's my screen for the front door. Just had it redone. Not really a lot of water damage, but I mean, that's where some of it sat, not a lot. Again, it doesn't rain a lot in Tucson, folks. Okay, let's go down. The other floor here is going to be in bad shape. Got storage here. I really want to turn lights on. Maybe I'll just show pictures with lights on. That's what I'll do. I don't know if I'm going to make it in time for the video. I got pictures of all under here. Plumbing seems to be working fine. Sink, stove, old backsplash. We just set this backsplash. I thought this backsplash might look kind of cool in here. Picked up a couple pieces. And thermostat. So you're probably going to want to do the whole ceiling front to back. You can buy the stuff in bulk from Home Depot in a roll. You can't find it on their store, but you find it on the website. You can get it for a good price too, and you buy it by a roll. The old linoleum floors.
It's like probably more heat stuff maybe.
Twin mattresses went here. I kind of tossed out the ones that were here just because, you know, they were old, they were dusty. I don't know what kind of, you know, anybody's gonna want new ones anyway if they're any kind of normal person. Pocket door, the mirror. A little wobbly, needs to be done a little bit better. Someone put a brick on top of there to keep water from coming in the tub. That would have been horrible, right? Water in the tub. Ooh. Really old linoleum, but what a cool look, right? I mean, this screams 1963. Bought this backsplash, so that might look kind of cool back here. But anyway, sink, storage to the right, toiletries, bathroom, and then some cool old mirrors. That one right there. Okay, that totally screams 60s. I don't remember if these little lights worked. The switches might have been bad because I had it plugged in earlier. And I can tell you the two front lights did work. It goes up there and I'll show you those. And that one worked also. So the fridge came on and the AC was blowing. Actually kind of cool too. But it kept tripping my breaker where it's plugged in the house. So, you know, it's gonna happen. But there's the pretty good inside of this thing. And there's your closet when you first walk in. And there's our 63 Boles Aero. And I got pictures for people of underneath this thing. Very solid. I mean, it's been in Arizona, so it's going to be about as solid as you can expect it to be. No frame damage, no rust. Other than some surface rust here and there, that's pretty much it. Nice and shaky.